So if you want to use Grok AI for content writing, whether you're a beginner or trying to level up, yeah, this guide will show you how to go from basic to pro in a really practical way. First, open Grok inside the X platform. Just log in and find Grok from the menu or sidebar to start. Now, this is important. Give clear prompts. For example, instead of saying write something, say write a blog post about AI tools in a friendly tone. You can use Grok for different types of content, like blog posts, YouTube scripts, social media captions, or even email writing. Just specify what you need. To get better results, Yarba include structure, like write a 200-word article with an intro, 3 points, and a conclusion. Yeah, this makes the output much more organized. If the content isn't perfect, don't worry. Just ask Grok to rewrite it, make it shorter, more engaging, or more professional. You can refine it step by step. You can also use Grok for brainstorming, like generating topic ideas, outlines, or even researching facts before writing your final content. And that's it. Now you know how to use Grok AI for content writing from beginner to pro level. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.